The 2026 Grammy Awards just wrapped up, and the reggae category has everyone talking. While the list of nominees included heavyweights and household names, one artist emerged victorious, taking home the trophy for Best Reggae Album. That artist is Keznamdi, and his project Blxxd and Fyah has officially cemented his place in music history. But for those just joining the movement, who exactly is Keznamdi, and what was it about this specific album that convinced the Academy to choose him over icons like Vybz, Kartel, and other rising stars? Let's talk about the man. Keznamdi isn't just a newcomer who got lucky, he is a product of deep musical roots. Born into a family of musicians, his parents were members of the reggae group Chakula. He grew up surrounded by the sounds of the island. Alongside his sister, Chronix's frequent collaborator Kalissa, Keznamdi has been a central figure in the Reggae Revival movement for years. He's known for a style that bridges the gap between traditional roots reggae and a modern eclectic sound that incorporates elements of hip-hop and dancehall. Before this Grammy win, he was already building a massive international following through relentless touring and hits like Victory and Bloodline. Now let's talk about the winning project, Blxxd and Fyah. Released to critical acclaim, this album felt like a culmination of his entire career. Musically, it's a masterpiece of production, blending heavy bass lines with intricate live instrumentation. But what truly set it apart was its narrative. The album explores themes of resilience, spiritual warfare, and the complexities of modern Jamaican identity. It didn't just offer feel-good tracks. It offered a raw, honest look at the world, delivered with Keznamdi's signature soulful yet gritty vocals. So, why did he win? First, the competition was fierce. Going up against Vybz Kartel's Heart and Soul meant the bar was incredibly high. However, the Recording Academy often favors projects that demonstrate high production value and a cohesive album experience. Blxxd and Fyah felt like a complete story from start to finish. Secondly, Keznamdi's ability to maintain the roots essence while making it accessible to a global audience is exactly what the Best Reggae Album category looks for. He managed to honor the legends of the past while sounding like the future of the genre. Keznamdi's win is a significant moment for the genre. It proves that the Reggae Revival generation is no longer just the future. They are the present. For an independent-minded artist who has always stayed true to his message, this Grammy isn't just a personal achievement, it's a win for authentic, message-driven music. Whether you've been a fan since his early EPs or you're just discovering him today, there's no denying that Keznamdi has earned his seat at the table. As Blxxd and Fyah continues to climb the charts and find new listeners, one thing is clear. Keznamdi is a force to be reckoned with. If you haven't listened to the album yet, now is the time to see for yourself why the Academy called his name on Grammy night. What did you think of the results? Was Keznamdi your pick, or were you rooting for one of the other nominees? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of music.